Today I'm gonna make you a drink featuring Braxzz Oaked Cider. It's called an Apple Pie Fizz to honour all of that at-home baking we're doing at the moment. So to start with, I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of demerara sugar to my tin. I realised this morning when I got to the bar that my bar spoons are at home, so I'm gonna use this handy fork. So about half a teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm going to add 20 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. A pinch of cinnamon. And a little dash of vanilla essence. Now, I'm going to give it a stir with my handy fork or bar spoon to dissolve the sugar. Now, I'm going to add 30 ml of aquafaba. Aquafaba simply is the liquid that I've strained from a can of chickpeas. Chickpeas are super cheap, they're super nutritious, and everyone has a tin of these in the back of their kitchen cupboard somewhere. So 30 ml of aquafaba. Now we're going to add some ice. Give it a quick shake. Now we're going to add a tiny bit of cider to the tin, just to make sure to get all of the aquafaba back out. Double strain back into your tin. Now you want to discard your ice, and we're going to give it a second shake to whisk up that aquafaba and create some foam. Cool. Okay. So now I'm going to get a highball full of ice. And as you can see, we already have a little bit of foam. And now we're going to carefully pour in the cider. And you'll see a nice little foamy head starting to build. Now, aquafaba can be a bit smelly when you first open that tin, but once you add in the rest of the ingredients, it hides it quite quickly. Now also, I've kept a little bit of lemon peel from when I used the lemon, and I'm just going to express those oils on top just to add a little bit of extra freshness. Now I'm going to top up with a little bit more cider, and then simply sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top. And there you go, Apple Pie Fizz.